Good morning, guys. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the seventh expression of quantum mechanics called the formation of wave function psi. देखो, what is mean by psi? Psi is a wave function, and remember that this is the very prestigious symbol in a quantum mechanics. देखो, क्या है psi? Psi है wave function. It means it indicates the what will be the parameter of the entire wave. Means what will be the energy of wave, what will be the position of the particle, what will be the momentum of the particle. Entire parameter of the wave can be evaluated by solving the wave function psi. देखो, the psi की वैल्यू आपको टाइम डिपेंडेंट के लिए भी मिलेगी, टाइम डिपेंडेंट के लिए भी मिलेगी. मतलब the wave function can be for time dependent or time independent, and whenever you solve the equation या value of the psi with the help of partial differentiation, you will determine or you will get the Schrodinger's time independent wave equation or Schrodinger's time dependent wave equation. और Schrodinger's का time dependent और independent equation is depends upon the value of psi. So in today's session, our target is to determine the value of psi function, या value of wave function psi. इसका exactly value क्या रहेगा, इसका formation हम लोग आज discuss करेंगे, right? Let's discuss with the one small concept. We will consider one small wave over here, like this. ठीक है, एक wave है अपने पास. Now in this case, the parameter of wave will be the lambda. Is nothing but the wavelength. 2 pi, it will be the phase of the wave, and t will be the time period. Done? This is the lambda and this is the 2 pi. अब हम कंसीडर करेंगे एक पार्टिकल जिसकी पोजीशन A है. We will consider this is the one particle having the position A. Now see, if particle is at A, then the particle का जो वेवलेंथ रहेगा वो रहेगा x, और उसी पार्टिकल का अगर हमने फेज कंसीडर किया तो विल कंसीडर दिस फेज इज इक्वल टू द डेल्टा. ठीक है. नाउ सी इन दिस एंटायर केस, देखो व्हाट इज a इज अ पोजीशन ऑफ द पार्टिकल, पोजीशन ऑफ पार्टिकल. ठीक है, पोजीशन ऑफ पार्टिकल. नाउ व्हाट इज अ x? What is x? X is a wavelength for A out of lambda. X क्या है? X is a wavelength of position A out of lambda, and delta will be the phase for A out of 2 pi. Then phase for A out of 2 pi. So this is the delta x and A. Now see, what is the wavelength for A out of lambda? Wavelength for A out of lambda हो जाएगा wavelength for A is equals to हो जाएगा x divided by lambda, मतलब x out of lambda, and phase for A is equals to क्या हो जाएगा, phase for A हो जाएगा delta divided by 2 pi. Now see, the value of both the A and A for wavelength and phase is equal. मतलब we can equate this equation as delta upon 2 pi is equal to x divided by lambda. बराबर ना, delta out of 2 pi and x divided by lambda, मतलब position out of wavelength दोनों का वैल्यू सेम ही है. Right? Now if we take this equation as a delta divided by 2 pi is equals to x divided by lambda, with the help of this equation we can write delta is equals to 2 pi x divided by lambda. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका इक्वेशन नंबर 1. ये क्या मिला आपको? हमें मिला डेल्टा का वैल्यू. आई होप यहां तक आपका इक्वेशन ठीक है. डन. Now we will go ahead. I will graph this position. अपने एक ऐसी वेव थी. This was the wave. this was the 2 pi, this was the lambda time t था, and one position था a पे, this was the x, this was the delta, and this was the entire parameters. Now or this was the delta, delta is equals to 2 pi x divided by lambda. Now see, according to definition of displacement का इक्वेशन क्या है? We know that the displacement x is equals to a sin omega t. Displacement is equals to a sin omega t. We will consider this is equation number 2. Now see, in this equation, a is a amplitude and omega t is a phase. Now for the particle is at a, the phase is a delta, and it means the remaining phase can be given as the x is equals to a sin omega t minus delta. We will consider this is equation number 3, right? Now this is a delta, and we have the delta is equals to 2 pi x divided by lambda according to equation number 1. क्या करेंगे? Put equation 1 in equation 3, we get equation 3 क्या आ जाएगा? equation 3 आएगा x is equals to a sin ब्रैकेट में ओमेगा t minus 2 pi x divided by lambda. ठीक है, ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका? अकॉर्डिंग टू इक्वेशन नंबर 1 अपना इक्वेशन नंबर 3 क्या आएगा? x is equals to a sin omega t minus 2 pi x divided by lambda. Done. Now we will go ahead with the next equation. ठीक है. Now see, according to this equation, I will write this equation as a x is equals to a sin omega t minus 2 pi x divided by lambda. ठीक है. देखो, but इस इक्वेशन में ओमेगा टी क्या है? फेज. ओमेगा इज एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी. वी नो दैट ओमेगा इज इक्वल्स टू क्या? 2 pi divided by t, right? If we put the omega is equals to 2 pi by t in this equation, we will get x is equals to a sin 2 pi t divided by capital T minus 2 pi x divided by lambda. We will consider this is equation number 4, and this equation number 4 gives the displacement of progressive wave. Displacement of progressive wave. Done. Now see, obviously, but we know क्या है? 2 pi by t is equals to omega, and 2 pi by lambda is equals to k, called wave propagation number, and omega is an angular frequency. इन दोनों को हमने यहां पुट किया तो इक्वेशन आएगा x is equals to a sin ब्रैकेट में ओमेगा t minus kx, and we will consider this is equation number 5. It's equation number 5. Now see, equation number 5 gives the displacement of particle, the position of the particle inside the wave. Now we will convert this equation into the exponential form, right? I will write this same in this side. Equation 5 को हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे? We can write this equation number 5 in a sense of wave function psi of x of t is equals to a exponential of minus I ब्रैकेट में ओमेगा t minus kx, बराबर, where a is an imaginary function and this is a omega t minus kx as it is, and it's converted into the exponential function, right? देखो, now again this equation can be given as psi of x of t is equals to a exponential of I ब्रैकेट में kx minus omega t. Done. We will consider this is the equation number 6. Now see, in that case we discussed two parameter in a group velocity. शायद आपको याद आ रहा होगा k क्या है आपका, k is a wave propagation constant या wave propagation number and omega था आपका angular frequency and value of these two was, आप लास्ट वाली इक्वेशन जाके देख लेना, आपका k था k is equals to p upon h cut and आपका ओमेगा था, ओमेगा was e upon h cut. We will put these two values in equation number 6. हमें क्या मिलेगा, psi of x of t is equals to a into exponential of minus I ब्रैकेट में k क्या है, p upon h cut, that is px upon h cut minus e t upon h cut. बराबर. And boss, remember that this equation number 7 gives the time dependent wave function. Equation number 7 क्या है, I will write here. Equation 7 gives time dependent wave function. Time dependent wave function. Now see, what is meant by time dependent wave function? The wave function is depend upon the position x and time t. And boss, if you solve the same equation, you will find out the Schrodinger's time dependent wave equation. Done? Now little bit small part is remaining. देखो, now if we consider the Schrodinger's का time independent wave function, तो इस पोजीशन में हम लोग टाइम का पैरामीटर कैंसिल आउट करेंगे. तो अगेन वी विल गो अहेड विद द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन कॉल्ड x is equals to a sin omega t minus 2 pi x divided by lambda. क्या करेंगे, we neglect time function. टाइम फंक्शन को हम लोग निगलेक्ट करेंगे तो इक्वेशन आएगा x is equals to a sin ब्रैकेट में 2 pi x divided by lambda, और remember that we can write this psi of x is equals to a sin 2 pi x divided by lambda, and we will consider this is the equation number 8. और equation number 8 gives time independent wave function. Now see, boss, if you solve this time independent wave function, you will get Schrodinger's time independent wave equation. तो I hope कि ये जो दो इक्वेशंस हैं अपने इक्वेशन 7 और इक्वेशन 8, this is the wave functions, and if you solve these wave functions, आपको Schrodinger's का टाइम डिपेंडेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट का वेव इक्वेशन मिल जाएगा. तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग इसी इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करके Schrodinger's का टाइम डिपेंडेंट इक्वेशन और Schrodinger's का टाइम इंडिपेंडेंट इक्वेशन, इसे दो इक्वेशन डिराइव करेंगे subsequently. Okay, done. Till then, okay, thank you, bye.